Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today I am engraving some wood tops for a handmade candle company here in Helen, Georgia. The first thing I need to do is set up my laser, and in order to speed up the processing time of similar items, I have purchased the self-centering jig, which has been a huge time saver for me. It is really easy to install with these 4 bolts which attach to the bottom of the plate of my xTool Ultra, and it's ready to go. The self-centering mechanism automatically aligns the blank, saving me time and honestly sanity as well. And the last thing I try to remember to do is to focus my laser to make sure my engraving is crisp and accurate. The green lid needs to be opened for the red and blue dots to be visible. And now I am ready to move to my computer software. I use xTool Creative Space. I imported my image into it already, and then I make sure that the laser is connected to my computer. I refresh my background to make sure that my design fits on the blank. And since it is much larger than I need it to be, I select all the layers and drag it from one of the corners, centering it on the screen itself. The settings I'm using are a result of my numerous trial and error engraves and may differ on your laser machine, but they should give you a decent starting point for these bamboo lids. And I'm engraving with the blue light, with dot duration of 200, power range of 50 to 50%, and a DPI of 500. And the last thing I like to check is the framing on my blank by pressing the framing button and visually checking the position of my image. Since it looks perfect, I turn off the framing, click process, then start, close the lid and press the green xTool button by my laser. Alright, so I did speed up this video, but each lid takes approximately 1 minute and 14 seconds. Perfectly centered every time. I just love this jig. Since my computer is farther away from my laser, I don't have to worry about the image placement. I know it will be perfect every time, and since I have hundreds of these to engrave, I release the completed lid, place the new one down, close my laser lid, and double press the green xTool button by my laser, and repeat that process over and over. It for today. I hope you are able to use at least some of this information from the video in your laser journey, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.